Hi guys, and welcome again to your channel Management with Merits, Manage to Prosper. The channel targets our people to equip them with the managerial leadership competencies and skills to prosper and achieve their goals. We rely on managerial leadership in English references and English literature and management leadership, and we convert it to Arabic in a focused, attractive, and practical manner. Well, as you know, guys, we have started before with the first book in the channel, the Management Book 2015, a great American book. In this book, we have already introduced the book and started also with the first part of the book, the second part, and the third part, which was in the last session about the first managerial function, which is planning. Well, today we will go to the second managerial function, which is organizing. Usual organizing comes after planning, or is the result of good planning. Organizing simply means when you structure and arrange the work, tasks, and activities to achieve organizational goals. So that is simply organizing, guys. It's structuring and arranging the work activities. So it's a means towards ends, it's not an end by itself. There are several different ways for organizing. Most probably the most modern and bizarre way is the self-arrangement or self-management. And one of the most popular methods in self-management is Holacracy. And simply Holacracy is a method that is being applied in some international companies like zappos.com, where people work in self-managed circles in teams with full decentralization and empowerment. Well, when we talk about organizing, guys, there are several points that are important in organizing, which are included in organizational design. Well, we will not go in details with these points, specifically 6 points, because they will be discussed in details when we take the third book in the channel, which is Organizational Theory, Design, and Change. But let's have a look, just mention them quite fast. The first point is work specialization, and then comes departmentalization, and then comes chain of command. And when we speak about chain of command, we mean actually 4 points, which are authority, power, responsibility, and unity of command. And then we talk about formalization, span of control, centralization, and decentralization. Organizations usually produce their organizational structure in a pictorial form, which is the organizational chart. That was simply our lesson for today, guys, organizing. Today was the first 2 chapters only in the part, because the part has 4 chapters and 1 managerial module. So today we finished the first 2 chapters that talk about organizational design, the traditional and the advanced methods of organizational design. Next session, we will complete the rest of the chapters and the organizational module of Part 4, organizing the second managerial function. Thank you so much for watching us. Stay with us in Management with Merits, Manage to Prosper. Subscribe to our channel on YouTube and activate the notifications bell. Follow us and participate with us via all our electronic means in YouTube, in our official website, by email, and in Facebook and Instagram. Thank you so much for watching us. See you next session next week, and goodbye.